Hi guys, if you're already using Canva, I'd like to show you how you can create your brand kits really easily and why you should definitely do it. So the first thing you do is go to the Canva website and log yourself in. Then you go to the brand icon on the left. And you can see I've already got some brand kits set up. One is for my business PC Harmony. I've uploaded the logo, the colors I use. You could also choose your font. So if there's a particular font that you always use, you can choose it here. Subheading, etc. The brand voice, now this is really important. If you are using Canva AI, it basically lets you write the content according to your brand voice. Photos, you can easily add photos that you use all the time. So brand photos, profile pictures, graphics, icons, and even charts. If you want to add any new colors, just go onto the add new and pick the hex code of your favorite color or your brand color. You can also create brand kits for other businesses you might do social media for. You might have another business. I've already set one up here for client one, but I will show you how to set up one right from the beginning. So we go back to the brand kit page, go and click on add new, give it a name. Let's call this one client number 2, create. And here we have a blank, completely fresh brand kit where we can add the logo, colors, etc. So now when you get to create a design, let's say we want to do an Instagram post, you can now choose which brand kit you're working on. Remember in client 1, let's say I want to go to my own business, PC Harmony. I select the brand kit and you have the colors pre-listed, the logo, which makes life a lot easier. Thank you.